we set our alarm to 5 a.m. But when we got up, it was too dark to really see anything. So we went to bed for another hour or so. And this is going to be a long, hard day because we will be traveling from 5, 6 a.m. to 7 or 8 p.m. to get all the way through the canal. We are starting to enter the channel of the Panama Canal. We have done this before. Came in the Caribbean side. We are trancing through the entire Panama Canal, and we will come out on the Pacific side this time. There are two locks. The one on the right was the one we took on our last journey on the Panama Canal, and the one on the left is the one we're going to be taking this time, because as you can see, there's a ship there, and he's coming out through that canal, and when the water's down, the guy that's on this side gets to use that area. Well, I made a mistake, which isn't the first time. The guy in the lock in front of us is going in, and we will be going in the same spot. The gate is starting to open, and as soon as it gets all the way open, we will sail on. Mules were first used to cross the Isthmus of Panama when the canal was first built. After that, they developed the electric engine and the cog railway, but they kept the name mules in honor of the ones that helped out so much. All the way now, and we'll be slowly moving in. Here is the mule with his cables attached, and it does not pull us in. It keeps us even in the canal so we don't hit the sides. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.